एक्सप्लेन करता इंग्लिश की इंग्लिश की बेबी संगत ही कर बस एक्सप्लेन कर सर ने कहा कि पाए एक्सप्लेन कर चलो बस खैर जमील इस तरह एक्सप्लेन कर 5 में एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा बच्चों
With the name of Allah, most gracious, powerful and merciful. Respectful Sir Kalameen and Hamid God and dear Rasulullah sallallahu. As you all know that my name is Fazal Jamil Aurangzai. I am the student of BBA and the leader of Group First. So the other students which are included in my groups are number first Afaq Haider, number second Waqas Khan, number third Muhammad Atif, number fourth Aftab Ahmad, number fifth Muhammad Uzair, number six Kamar Hassan. So first of all, before presenting my topic, I convey a good morning message to all who are present there. Dear audience, good morning, because morning is a special gift from Allah. After a restful sleep, it's a new chance to do better and try where you failed. So before enjoying your day, good morning. A good plan for today is better than a great plan for tomorrow. So look backward with satisfaction and look forward with confidence. So we should try our best to keep Preston University one of the best universities in the world. So with this suggestion, I come to my topic, which I have prepared for presentation. So the first one is know yourself. Know yourself, dear audience. Know yourself doesn't mean that you know your name, your address. It means that review the self-assessment document you have created based on your achievements, based on your personal scale, based on your personal value. So first of all, know yourself. The second one is know your resume. As you all know, that resume is a resume also called a CV, in which you create or write your educational qualification, your personal scale, and other details about your qualification and awards. So you should know your resume. That what I have written in my resume. So after that, the third step, know the position. So after knowing the resume, you should know the position, for which position you are qualifying or giving the interview. Either it's an executive position, either it's a manager position, either it's a finance manager position. So what position for what position you are giving the interview, this position should be known first before the interview. So the fourth one, know some questions and answers. After knowing the position, you should know some questions and answers which are related to your position, not any other questions, like basic other questions, only which are related to your job, and also such kind of question which may be put to you by the interviewer. So after that, know the place, time, and other details. Know the time, place, and other detail means you should know the interview place, you should know the interview time, what time it will be occurred. Other details means in other details there also comes some another information. For example, what kind of person it will be, what kind of person interviewer will be. Either it will be a good natured person or it will be a harsh mannered person. So after knowing the place, time, and other details, the last step is knowing the basic salary range. That what kind of salary range there will be. For what position, for what salaries position I am giving the interview or I am giving the qualifying. For example, you are the graduates of BBA honor. You are the graduates of BBA honor, and you are giving the interviews for such position whose salary range may be to 3,000 to 5,000. So in such situation, you should know the basic salary range because it is not suitable with a graduate person like you. It may be to 15,000, 20,000. So in such situation, first of all, you should know the basic salary range. So this was my topic. Due to short time, I come to a conclusion. So at the end, I am very, very thankful to fantastic and respectful Al-Amin and Hamid Sir for giving me a good opportunity for presenting my topic. And I am also very, very thankful to my dear class fellows for attending my presentation and giving me a good response during the presentation.